Blue Diamond Custom Paint Shop. This is just a quick video to show you how I clean my spray guns with Limeline Spray Gun Paint Remover when I'm done using it. So I'm just going to kind of explain what this is here, and then we'll do a cutaway, a top view, where I'll show you actually cleaning the gun out. So what this is from Limeline. It's a spray gun paint remover, like I said. What it does is when you push the trigger, it shoots a blast of cleaner out at pretty high velocity, I guess you would say. So, really blast the gun out, which is really nice. I don't know what's in it, but I do know it has more than just like lacquer thinner in it. That really helps break, paint away. And even if you have, paint on your gun that's kind of been dried on there, you spray this on there and wipe it off, and it'll come off pretty good. So I really like this stuff. I'm addicted to it, I guess you'd say. So I use this every time. I use it on my spray guns. I also use it when I'm doing my airbrushing. Cleans out your airbrush and a snap. So yeah, give it a try. You go ahead and look at the description. It has a link to Limeline's site there. If you click on that, you'll get 10% off any of Limeline's products. So go ahead and pick yourself some up from there and use that link and get you 10% off. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and we'll clean this thing up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, I just got done spraying some epoxy primer out of this. And so first thing I do, no matter what I'm spraying, is I hold my spray gun upside down and I pull the trigger in, and just for a few seconds. So that lets anything that's up in your gun will drain out into your cup. So I do that before I remove my cup. And once I do that, I'll just twist it off here. And the next thing I do, I'll take my Limeline spray gun paint remover, I'll pull my trigger, I'll insert this rubber tip into my disposable paint cup adapter there, and then just give it just a good squirt. As you can see, it blasts that paint out. Now pull it back, I'll kind of spray up in here. You can see it got that out, all that out pretty good. It's already gone. I'll make it one more time, a couple more blasts, and I'll spray the tip. Then you also get this brush with it. When you buy a can of this, you get this little brush. And I'll take this brush and I'll just brush this tip really good. Get any paint I see on there off. Especially if you're using epoxy primer. I'll make sure you get all that off there. That's good. Okay. Then I'll just take my rag. I'll twist this cap off. Set my gun down. Now I'll just take this and blast the cap off really good. And that's clean. Take it off to the side. Next thing I'll do is I'll take my needle out. I'll spray a little on this rag. With the needle clean, that's clean. Then I'll take my wrench. Take this cap off. Once that's off, I'll take my spray gun paint remover and get that a blast down in there. Okay, that's clean. And then I'll take my gun. Now there's nothing in it, or the needle's removed, the caps are removed. And now just spray down in here, spray up in here. And since that would usually be it. If I was just using base coat or clear coat, that would really clean it up. But since I use epoxy primer, I really want to make sure it's cleaner. So I'll take one of these brushes. And I just kind of go up in here, down in here, and spray this out one more time. And there you go. That quick and easy.
See you on the next one.